Hello everyone. Welcome to our course Introduction to Web3. I am Anjali and I'll be your guide for this course. So in the previous lesson we have discussed the different types of crypto wallets, the differences between the hot wallets and the cold wallets and the different types. And in this lesson today we are going to look at the installation steps of one of the most famous crypto wallet, that is the MetaMask wallet. Look at the steps for installing the MetaMask wallet. You write download MetaMask wallet. And the first link is metamask.io, and this is the official link for downloading MetaMask. Since I'm using Chrome browser, so I'm able to see this button, install MetaMask for Chrome. I'll click on this button and I'll be redirected to the Chrome web store where it is showing that you can add MetaMask as an extension. So I'll click on add to Chrome. I need to approve for adding it as an extension. Now you'll see that here on the right hand side it will appear as an extension the moment it is installed. See, it's come. So here we can see this as an extension and it will automatically open. You can also click on this top right side extension button and you can also pin this extension, so it becomes easy for you to access this. So it appears here. So now it says welcome to MetaMask. Click on get started. There is some advisory for you. We go through them and click on I agree. In case you have already created a wallet and you need to import it, click here. Or if you want to create a new wallet, go to this create wallet. Here you will be asked to type in a password, minimum 8 characters. Please do that. Once you have confirmed the password and clicked on agree button, you will be directed to this screen where you will be shown a video of almost 1 minute. And it is the video regarding the secret recovery phrase. So in the right hand side, you can see there's information written about this. It's a 12-word phrase which can be considered as a master key to your wallet and funds. So it's not recommended that you save the secret key anywhere online. So it's better if you can write it down on a paper or maybe store it offline on your desktop. So it will be required in the next step where we will be selecting those 12 words in order. So please note them down, copy them, but do not save it online, as this is the phrase which will help you in accessing your so it is kind of the master key. So basically your wallet address will be the public key and that will be shared with all, but your password is going to be the private key. And in case you kind of lose your password or forget your password, so this recovery phrase is going to be the master key for you. And in case you miss out on this recovery phrase or your recovery phrase is compromised, then the whole funds and the whole crypto wallet is compromised. So you need to be very careful at this step. Click on next. Here you can see there is a lock button and you're asked to click on this to reveal the secret words. So the moment you'll click on them, you'll see 12 words in a particular order and you need to copy them out. And in the right hand side, we can see there are some tips and phrases. So click on this lock button and note down those 12 words and enter them in the next screen. So once you have confirmed the 12-word secret phrase, you will be directed to this page and click on all done. And here is your MetaMask wallet main screen. So the MetaMask has been installed in your system, in your web browser and as an extension. On the top right side, you can see all the networks. You can add more networks here. Testnets, Polygon, all other blockchains networks can be added. We'll see how exactly can we do that in our upcoming lessons. And here on the topmost part, you can see the your wallet address, basically your public key. So you can always copy to clipboard and share that wallet address with all. And this is the balance of your MetaMask wallet. And there are buttons for buying crypto from some other crypto wallet or sending it to other wallets or maybe swapping it with some other cryptocurrency. So this is the basic utility, the main part. So I hope you found today's video to be useful. See you in the next lesson.